to Good Morning El Paso, 5:17. That's the time now. Weather and traffic on the 7s. Now, if you are headed out right now, or even if you're just waking up with us, if you have a chance to step outside, if you're just waking up, step out and look at the moon. It's about to go into total eclipse right now, and our satellite view does show that we've got some clouds moving in from the west. Now, you can still see the moon, though. It's still pretty nice if you can, again, step out. There's our satellite view, clouds moving in from the west. We're clear areas east and not tracking any rain. There's a look at Doppler radar, which shows no rain in the forecast, but traveling across parts of Texas. Yet again, more storms across the Texas panhandle. Currently, El Paso, we're at 68, 60 degrees Las Cruces, and we're tracking 50s in Ruidoso, a little cooler in Cloudcroft. Arizona in the 70s, Amarillo, Lubbock in the 60s. Temperatures now in Dallas and Austin in the 70s, so it is warm and humid. Out for a walk forecast looks pretty good. 8 o'clock, we're at 70 degrees, mid-70s by 9 o'clock, and we will be tracking partly cloudy skies. Now keep in mind, those of you that like to take your dog out for a walk in the morning, best time for you to do so. The worst time between noon and 6, because that's when it's the hottest. So once the sun starts to cool down, that'll be the best time for you to take your dog out for a walk. And you can also check the pavement. If it's too hot for your hand, the back of your hand, it's way too hot for your pet. So you don't want their paws to burn because the pavement is too hot. We're going to be at 95 degrees today, so running above average, but we won't be breaking any records. Record to beat 102. Future track model across the region, partly cloudy skies through lunchtime, 1 o'clock. Still not tracking any rain, some scattered showers, possible storms around the Texas panhandle. You can see just north of us, the cold front will track just north of us. We're still going to be hot for the rest of the week. Once the holiday weekend approaches, though, we are looking at just a slight chance for rain. So in the meantime, if you need a car wash, you get the green light from me at least through Friday. Saturday, we're at 98, so it's still going to be hot, and there's that 10% chance for rain. We'll be in the mid-70s. So if you're maybe sitting poolside, throwing some meat on the grill, hanging out with the family this weekend, it will be warm in the 90s. It's going to be hot today. Horizon City at 97, 97 San Eli, also tracking the 90s, Van Horn, Del City, and Sierra Blanca. So there's your 7-day forecast. We're heating things up through the holiday, and for the most part, we're going to be dry for the rest of the week. Just that slight chance for rain through Memorial Day, 93 on Tuesday.